Okay, dividing mixed fraction. So the following steps in dividing mixed fraction. First, you're going to convert the mixed fractions into in and improper fractions. Okay, after that, so you're going to rewrite the division operations into a related multiplication in which you're going to multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Last is you're going to multiply the fraction by fractions, numerator by numerator, then denominator and denominator. Then you must express your answer into lowest term. Okay, let us try problem number 1, 60 divided by 2 and 1/5. So observe that our dividend is a whole number. You must change first them into a fraction. So 16 as 16(1). Then you're going to change first the uh, divisor, which is mixed number. So 2 and 1/5 into an improper fractions. Okay, so 2 and 1/5 change to improper fraction. You're going to multiply 5 times 2, then add a product to 1, that will be equal to 11. So copy the denominator. So 11/5. So your new divisor here is 11/5. Okay. Then after that, you're going to proceed or rewrite the division operation as a related multiplication. So 16(1) times then the reciprocal of your divisor, which is 11/15, that is 5/11. Okay, so but before you proceed to multiplication, see to it that the numerator and denominator has a common factor. Okay, so in this case, there are no common factors, so you're going to proceed to multiplication. So 16 times 5, that is equal to, okay, 16 times 5, 6 times 5 is 30. They group 3, then 5 times 1 is 3, then 8. So 16 times 5 is 80, 1 times 11 is 11. Okay, so what you have observed here, your answer is an improper fraction. So improper fraction is not yet in the lowest term. So to change them into lowest term, you must change this improper fraction again into mixed form or mixed fraction. So how are you going to change improper fraction into a mixed form? We're going to divide the numerator by the denominator. So in this case, 80 divided by 11. Okay, so 80 divided by 11, that is 7. So 77. 80 minus 77, that will be 3. So in this case, so the whole number is 7. Then the numerator, the remainder, which is 3. Then the divisor is 11. So 16 divided by 2 and 1/5, that is equal to 7 and 3/11. Okay, let us proceed number 2. 3 and 1/2 times 1 and 4/6. So observe that your dividend and the divisors are all mixed fraction. You must change them into um, improper fraction. So 3 and 1/2 change to improper fraction. So 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1, that is 7. Copy the denominator, which is 2. So next, 1 and 4, 6. So 6 times 1 is 1 plus 4, that is 10. So copy the denominator, which is 6. So your uh, new dividend is 7 halves divided by 10/6. Okay, so after this one, you're going to rewrite the division operation into multiplication, related multiplication, in which you're going to multiply the dividend to the reciprocal of the divisor. So 7 halves times the reciprocal of 10/6, that is 6/10. Okay. So before you proceed to multiplication, see to it if there are, you must undergo cancellation. If there are common factors between your denominator and numerator. So in this case, 2 and 6 has a common factor, which is 2. So you're going to divide 2 and 6 by 2. So that is 1. Then 6 divided by 3 is 2 is 3. Okay, rewrite the fraction as 7 1 times 6 3 10. Then proceed to multiplication. 7 times 3 is 21. 1 times 10 is 10. So again, your answer is an improper fraction, 2110. You must change them into mixed form. Okay, um, as the lowest term. So, how to change improper fraction into lowest term? Simply, you're going to divide the numerator by the denominator. So 21 divided by 10, that will be equal to, okay, 21 divided by 10 is 2. So that is 20. 21 minus 20 is 1. So your whole number here is 2. The remainder will be numerator and the divisor will be your denominator. Okay, so your answer will be 2 and 1 10. Okay, so 3 and 1 half divided by 4 and 1 6 is equal to 2 and 1 10. Okay, let's proceed to number 3. 2 and 3 10 divided by 1 and 2 fifth. So again, your dividend and your divisor is mixed fraction. So you're going to um, convert them into improper fraction. So 2 and 1/3. Okay, 10 times 2, that is 20, plus 3, that is 23. Copy the denominator, which is 10. So 23 10. Then 1 and 2 fifth change to improper fraction, that is 5 times 1, that is 5, plus 2, that is 7. Copy the denominator, which is 5. So 7 fifth. So 7 fifth as your divisor. So after converting the mixed fraction into improper, you must write the division operation as a multiplication. So related multiplication, which are going to multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay, so the reciprocal of 7 fifth is 5 7. Okay, before proceeding to multiplication, see to it that there are common factors between your numerator and denominator. So cancel them. Okay, so in this case, 5 and 10 has a common factor, which is 5. So cancel 5 and 10 by 5. So 5 divided by 5, that is 1. Then 10 divided by 5 is 2. So rewrite the fraction as 23 halves times 1 7. Okay, proceed to multiplication. 23 times 1 is 23. 2 times 7 is 14. So your answer is improper fraction. So again, change them into mixed form by dividing the numerator by its denominator. So 23 divided by 14, that is equal to, so 1 14, 23 minus 14 is equal to 9. Okay, so your whole number is 1, your numerator is 9, 14 as your denominator. So your answer is 1 and 9 14. So 2 and 3 divided by 1 and 2 is equal to 1 and 9 14. Okay, last number 4, 2 and 1/4 divided by 2/3. So, convert 2 and 1/4 into an improper fractions. So, 2 and 1/4, 4 times 2, that is 8, plus 1, that is 9. copy the denominator, which is 4. So 2 and 1/4, change into improper, that is 9/4. So divide 2/3. Then after writing that one or converting the mixed form, you're going to rewrite the division operation as a related multiplication, by which you're going to multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. So that is 9/4 times the reciprocal of 2/3, that is 3/2. Okay, so by this time you're going to cancel a common factor between your denominator and numerator. So in this case, there are no common factor between your denominator and common factor. You're going to proceed to multiplication. Okay, 9 times 3, that is 27. 4 times 2 is 8. So in this case, your answer is in the improper fraction. You must change them into lowest term. So by dividing the numerator by the denominator. So 27 divided by 8, that is equal to, okay, 3. Okay, that is 24. Okay, 27 minus 24 is 3. So your whole number is 3. Your numerator is 3. The denominator is 8. So 3 and 3, 8. So 2 and 1/4 divided by 2/3, that is equal to 3 and 3/8.